pussy fart. What's up? My name's Owens. This is my bike check. Starting in the front, I got Primo rebars, Primo cement grips, just some random stem, Verde Cartel forks, stolen revolver front rim, Odyssey peg, and the Shadow Conspiracy peg, and the Fit TA tire. Stranger Nomad frame, 20.75. Mission transit cranks. Primo full sprocket, or whatever you want to call it. Primo JJ Palmyra pedals. Animal seat post with the Stranger further seat. And in the back I got the Odyssey MPEG again and the Shadow. And I'm running the KMC 710 chain, half link. And I got Demolition rotator hub, free coaster connected to just some cheap nitrous rim, and Fit TA tire in the back here.
Clips.
Girl, the way you moving got me in a trance. DJ turn me up, ladies get so jam. I'ma slip my sky, you gon' lose them fans, and I'ma throw this money while you do it.
What was that?